we'll guide you through how to turn off offline mode on Spotify. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your PC and go to the desktop screen. Open the Spotify desktop app on your computer and wait for it to fully load until the home screen appears. Keep in mind that offline mode only appears on Spotify Premium accounts. If you are not a Spotify Premium user, go to your taskbar and search for the Wi-Fi settings. Turn on your Wi-Fi connection or connect your device to a LAN cable so Spotify can return to online mode automatically. If you are a Spotify Premium user and your device is already connected to the internet, but Spotify is still stuck in offline mode, continue with the next steps. Look at the top left corner of the Spotify window, find the three dots icon, and click it. After that, click the File menu from the top navigation bar. Check whether the offline mode option has a checkmark beside it. If the checkmark is visible, click Offline Mode once to disable it. Wait a few seconds while Spotify reconnects to its online services. Watch carefully for the offline message to disappear from the app window. Once Spotify reconnects successfully, click the Home button from the left sidebar to refresh the main screen. Next, search for any online playlist, album, or artist to test the connection. Try playing a song that was not downloaded for offline listening. Finally, confirm that the music begins streaming normally without showing any playback or connection errors. If the song plays correctly and Spotify loads online content without problems, then offline mode has been turned off successfully on your Spotify desktop app. If Spotify still does not reconnect, close the application completely and reopen it again after checking your internet connection. You can also restart your computer if the issue continues after disabling offline mode. Make sure your Spotify account is logged in and that no firewall or antivirus program is blocking the app from accessing the internet. After restarting Spotify, repeat the connection test by searching for a new artist or streaming online songs successfully.